Chicken korma recipe. Introduction. Indian chicken korma is a rich and flavorful dish that originated in the Mughal cuisine of India. It is a popular choice for special occasions and gatherings, known for its creamy gravy and aromatic spices. The tender chicken pieces are cooked in a blend of yogurt, tomatoes, and various spices, resulting in a delectable and satisfying meal. Whether you're a fan of Indian cuisine or simply looking to try something new, this recipe for chicken korma is sure to impress your taste buds. Ingredients: 1 kilogram chicken, cut into pieces. 2 large onions, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, pureed. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 2-inch piece of ginger, grated. 1 cup plain yogurt, beaten. 1/2 cup heavy cream. 1 tablespoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust according to your taste. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro leaves for garnish. Instructions: heat the vegetable oil and ghee in a large pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and saute until golden brown. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pan and cook for a minute until fragrant. In a bowl, mix together the yogurt, tomato puree, ground coriander, ground cumin, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Pour this mixture into the pan and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the chicken pieces to the pan and coat them well with the spice mixture. Cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is brown on all sides. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let the chicken cook for another 15 to 20 minutes or until it is tender and cooked through. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Stir in the heavy cream and garam masala. Cook for an additional 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Taste the korma and adjust the seasoning if needed. If the gravy is too thick, you can add a little water to thin it out. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves and serve hot with steamed rice, naan, bread, or roti. Conclusion: Indian chicken korma is a delightful dish that brings together the richness of spices and the succulence of chicken. The creamy and aromatic gravy is a perfect complement to the tender chicken pieces, making it a favorite among Indian food enthusiasts. With this recipe, you can recreate the flavors of a traditional Indian kitchen in the comfort of your own home. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or simply craving a flavorful meal, Indian chicken korma is sure to satisfy your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Enjoy the experience of preparing and savoring this delicious dish.